Welcome to the wild world, a place where nature's wonders come alive right before your eyes. Animals are all around us. They inhabit every corner of our planet, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. From the tiniest insects, like ants and beetles, to the largest whales that roam the vast oceans, our planet is full of amazing creatures. Each one plays a unique role in the ecosystem. They come in all shapes and sizes, with their own special ways of living. Some animals are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings, while others display vibrant colors to warn off predators. Let's take a journey to learn about these incredible animals and why they matter so much. We'll explore their habitats, understand their behaviors, and discover the vital roles they play in maintaining the balance of nature. Get ready for an adventure into the wild world of animals. We'll travel through dense forests, across arid deserts, and dive into the depths of the oceans to uncover the secrets of the animal kingdom. We share our planet with these animals. Our lives are intertwined in ways we often don't realize. They provide us with food, clothing, and even companionship. It's important to understand them and how they live. By studying their habits and habitats, we can learn how to protect them and ensure their survival for future generations. By learning about animals, we can appreciate them even more. Their beauty, their intelligence, and their resilience are truly awe-inspiring. So, are you ready to explore? Let's dive in. Together we'll embark on a journey of discovery, adventure, and wonder. The wild world awaits. Animals do the most amazing things. Have you ever seen a chameleon change color? It's incredible how they blend in with their surroundings. And what about the way birds build intricate nests? Their skills are truly remarkable. Some animals, like squirrels, gather nuts for the winter. Others, like lions, work together to hunt. Every animal has its own way of finding food, raising its young, and staying safe. These unique behaviors are what make the animal kingdom so fascinating. Animals live in all sorts of places, from the dense forests to the open savannas, from the icy poles to the warm tropics. Each environment is unique and vital for the survival of its inhabitants. From lush jungles to vast oceans, each habitat provides everything animals need to survive. The jungle, with its thick canopy and diverse plant life, offers food and shelter to countless species. In the rainforest, monkeys swing through the trees, using their agile limbs to navigate the dense foliage. They find fruits, leaves, and insects to eat, making the treetops their playground and pantry. While colorful parrots soar through the air, their vibrant feathers a flash of color against the green backdrop. These birds communicate with loud calls and songs, adding to the symphony of the jungle. Under the sea, dolphins leap and play, their sleek bodies cutting through the water with grace. They use echolocation to hunt for fish and squid, and their playful nature is a joy to behold. While coral reefs teem with life, these underwater cities are home to a myriad of creatures, from tiny shrimp to large fish, all coexisting in a delicate balance. Deserts may seem empty, but they are home to creatures like camels, who have adapted to the harsh conditions. Their humps store fat, allowing them to go without water for long periods, and snakes who have adapted to the heat. These reptiles can sense vibrations in the sand, helping them to find prey and avoid predators. From the Arctic to the Amazon, each habitat is special. The Arctic, with its freezing temperatures, is home to polar bears and seals, while the Amazon rainforest is a hotbed of biodiversity. It's important to protect these places so animals can thrive. Conservation efforts and protected areas ensure that these habitats remain safe for future generations of wildlife. Section 4. Friends of all shapes and sizes. In the vast tapestry of life on Earth, humans and animals have woven a unique and intricate bond that transcends time and space. Humans and animals share a special bond. This connection is evident in the way we interact with our pets, who become cherished members of our families. For centuries, we have lived side by side with animals, relying on each other for different things. From ancient times, animals have been integral to human survival and culture, depicted in art and history as our companions and helpers. Dogs, for example, have been our loyal companions for a very long time. They have evolved alongside us, becoming not just pets, but true friends who understand and respond to our emotions. They bring us joy and companionship. Their playful antics and unwavering loyalty provide comfort and happiness, making our lives richer and more fulfilling. Horses help us with work and transportation. These majestic creatures have been by our side in fields and on roads, aiding in agriculture and travel, showcasing their strength and grace. Cats keep our homes free of pests. Their independent yet affectionate nature makes them perfect companions, and their hunting skills have been invaluable in keeping our living spaces clean. Even farm animals like cows and chickens provide us with food. These animals are essential to our diet, offering milk, eggs, and meat, and they play a crucial role in agriculture and sustainability. It's clear that humans and animals can live together in harmony. This harmonious relationship enriches our lives, teaching us empathy, responsibility, and the beauty of coexistence with all living beings. Section 5. Protecting our furry, feathery, and scaly friends. Sadly, many animals are facing threats today. Pollution, habitat loss, and climate change are putting their survival at risk. It's our responsibility to protect these amazing creatures and ensure their well-being. We can all do our part. Recycling, conserving water, and reducing our carbon footprint are just a few ways we can make a difference. We can also support organizations that are working hard to protect endangered animals and their habitats. Every little bit counts.